I'll try to move this rock here. Yeah, man. Round the corner, this is for growing high bridge. How have you, sir?
Don't see a corner with them and say, never them in a video, but I say, oh, trouble.
Yeah, you see it? Whoa.
How we have much time?
See Bill like a pop. Yeah.
Swing for me, Rex. Don't swing for me,
It's alright now. Drive through, wow. These are tree there and I road that's a sea we have walked nearby. Nobody not put out a tree yet. People walking around and a look at the damage. Yeah, this is how I go on above the valley, my people. Drive through right about now out above the valley. You can see a lot of debris on the road right now going down. Yeah, most of the houses are on the hillside. Now you can actually see them, stay a road and see them. And thing. Alright, so I continue the journey. Yeah, so as you can see, I go on the valley. Yeah, man. Only for the breeze upon the road, but the greatest thing, we don't really see no landslide yet. Still, we don't see no big landslide yet. I try to get to a place so we can get to even upload the video so you guys can see. Oh, one. Yeah, everybody I see me. Yeah. Melissa deal with we are way up here. People actually come out early and cut out tree though. Last time I see police come up earlier, but you know, see none of them come up yet. Guess them are wait for me if you come through so they can know say it is okay to come up here. Because, yeah man, so we're still there. Heading down. We're not sure if we can reach Buff Bay yet, but we'll see what I go on. Watch out, we can see right around the corner this way now. Some rock stone roll down to, you know. That two top way on and go around, see him here. It look like I just saw it there now, my people. I can't pass it, so I see two cars there down there, so. And then I take it here, so I walk down there. Take it there, so. Because I really like jump up myself back at people. If anything, I can turn here, see, you see me? Yeah, man, so. Want to stay tuned, my people. Just try going on the update them as best as possible. You know what I mean? I check and see what I go on there, so. What I go do? I go park the car good, that means to say if somebody else want to pass and can pass. But which part I try to reach, I can walk from here, so still, so stay tuned. So I go on now. Big rock drop down right there, so you know. So I walk, we have to walk. I can't pass right there, so here so them a clear up round here, so I check in and see what I go on. See me. One thing, yeah. Yeah, so the ball game stop. So I go on now. Road block up, you know, whole heap of big rock. Come down right there, so too, you know. So I go on, I don't look water right here, so when people catch water. I'm not even sure how you not get cover. Think you get cover, you know. You kind of get a little bit of cover. Big rock right here, so see them here. Got this. Road block up. Yeah, man. That is it for It's a piece of road that collapse right here, so you know. Road that collapse said way. Yeah, so right now community joining forces right now. I clear up the way and thing. So that I go on from what I go on. Maybe hold on there. Yes, I'm going to do it. You know say I nearly a flash around in my car. Walk, we around there so I walk. Still. Well, anyways, yeah man. Them are work. I clear the way. I want to try to get out them big rocky out there. We still. That I go on. So people them come together and work. And try to get the thing work so we can have the road clear to go to both bay sides. So that's I code right now. Yeah. So I'm gonna try there now. I'll try to move this rock here. Yeah man, round the corner this of the grown high bridge. How have you, sir? I'll try to shoot this a little distance away still. Manpower. You can't tell man them come, power. Man straight, walk with it. Come here. Yeah. Man strength, huh? You're wicked, eh?
Don't see a corner with them and I said, if you don't have a video, I say, oh,
Yeah, you see it? Whoa. Catch him. See? Get it. So you can't come through, can't come through. Right now I say. I'm big youth there. Tiny there. Yeah. Yeah, I carry your post run too. One side we are clear enough.
Cut off a little bump there, top bump there.
See what go on? Mash it, man. It don't go on with that thing, you know. Water, come here now still. Yeah.
Swing come in, you know.
What kind of tree this, Sonny?
Maua. Furniture board. It's quite right. I'm not about to still look like I go good over now.
Leave gone off a tree right now. Leave their ground. Oh God. Alright, so this is how we know. This is a Plum Valley. Plum Valley is our Charleston.
To Charleston.
Yeah. See? Look right here. You don't know star. They should have cut off this, you know? They never cut this out. I'll go through this. Wow, this is so devastating, man. Look there. Light post them there. That tree they come down on the light post. No one wants to sit down and stay, man. I stay a bad man there, Jay. Whoa. I go through, see that smells strong there though. So stay bad. Yeah. Show them a place that stay. Only if a tree come down and block up the road. It's a one-way traffic, you know. Just have to just take time and go through. All me a blow and the man say nothing, man. I know them places stay away. High tension wire. Fat. kill there. Like the club mash up. The club I never decked up, no? And tree there. Watch you.